how Psalm 23 can change your life forever. Psalm 23, one of the most beloved passages in the Bible, is a powerful reminder that peace, guidance, and abundance are available to us when we trust in God. It begins with the profound words, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." This verse alone holds a life-changing promise. Imagine living with the assurance that your needs will always be met, because you have a shepherd who leads, protects, and provides for you. The psalm describes a journey through life, with God guiding us to green pastures and still waters. These symbolize rest and restoration. In our fast-paced world, Psalm 23 invites us to slow down and trust God to restore our soul when we're weary or overwhelmed. Reflect on this truth, and you'll discover an anchor of peace in the storms of life. Even in life's darkest moments, when you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, you're not alone. Psalm 23 reminds us of God's constant presence. "I will fear no evil, for you are with me." This assurance can transform fear into courage and despair into hope. Finally, the psalm promises an overflowing cup and goodness and mercy following us all the days of our lives. It's a vision of abundance and grace that changes how we view our struggles and blessings. When we internalize these truths, our outlook shifts from scarcity to gratitude. If you found this message inspiring, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment below, sharing how Psalm 23 speaks to you. Share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. It could be the encouragement they need today.